Number 3 is a system of equations that we have to set up. It says tickets to a local movie were sold at $10 for adults and $8 for students. If 43 tickets were sold for a total of $388, how many student tickets were sold? So it's a system because we have two unknown variables. The first one, I'll call it S, is the number of student tickets. And then the second variable that we don't know is also the number of adult tickets. So I'll call that one A. However, they did give us information that allows us to set it up. So remember, the two things that we know is how many tickets we got, which is 43, and how much they cost. So based off of those variables, we can set up a how many equation and a how much equation. So starting off with the easy one, the how many equation, I know I bought 43 tickets, which I can write as the number of student tickets plus the number of adult tickets. That's how many I bought here plus how many I bought there. Gives me 43 is how many I bought altogether. The second equation that we're going to set up is the how much equation. Well, if I bought S number of student tickets at $8 each, that would be $8 times the number of student tickets I bought, is how much I spent on student tickets. And how much I spent on adults is $10 each ticket times however many tickets I bought. And how much total is that? If I add together the two amounts, it's a total of $388. So to remember when we're setting this up, the dollars goes with the dollars, the number of tickets goes with the number of tickets. And now we have a system, and hopefully you can choose one way to solve this. I'm going to use the elimination method because I prefer that one. And since I see that we're trying to find the number of student tickets with S, I'm going to eliminate the A's. So the way to do that, if I have a positive 10, I need opposites first. I can multiply this one by negative 10. Make sure you distribute it to everything across both sides of the equations. And so I'm going to have negative 10s minus 10a, and then here I'm going to get negative 430. Copying this one straight underneath. We get that. And now what happens when I add those two equations together is the opposites cancel out. The a's cancel out. Here I'm going to end up with negative 2s. Right here, let's see. We get negative 42 when I add those together. And now, because the a's cancel out, we can solve for our variable s, which is what we're looking for. Dividing by negative 2 gives us the answer of s is equal to positive 21. And so I look at the multiple choices. Do I see positive 21 anywhere? There it is. S is positive 21.